Welcome to our Invest in Africa Now channel, where we explore the world of manufacturing and entrepreneurship. Today, we're diving into the exciting field of injection molding, focusing on how this technology is used to create plastic chairs, stools, and tables in Africa. We'll cover the process, the types of machines involved, and effective marketing strategies to help businesses succeed in this dynamic industry. You can contact us for any machinery purchases and training. Please check my WhatsApp on this video description. Join us for a comprehensive journey through the manufacturing process and business insights. Injection molding is a transformative process that allows manufacturers to create durable and versatile plastic products with precision and efficiency. Let's start by exploring the steps involved in the injection molding process for producing plastic chairs, stools, and tables, followed by an overview of the machinery used in this business. The journey begins with the design of the plastic products, typically created using computer-aided design, CAD, software. Once the design is finalized, the injection molding process begins. The process starts with the injection molding machine, where plastic resin pellets are fed into a heated barrel, melting into a viscous liquid. The molten plastic is then injected into a precisely engineered mold, which is shaped according to the design of the desired product. This step requires high pressure to ensure the plastic fills every crevice of the mold. After injection, the mold is cooled using a controlled cooling system. This allows the plastic to solidify into the desired shape. Once the plastic has cooled and solidified, the mold opens, and the newly formed plastic product is ejected from the mold. The finished products are then trimmed, polished, or assembled as needed to ensure they meet quality standards before being packaged for distribution. As we can see, injection molding offers a highly efficient and accurate method for producing plastic chairs, stools, and tables. It is this precision that allows businesses to create consistent and high-quality products for the market. To achieve success in the injection molding business, it's crucial to use reliable and advanced machinery. Here are some key components of an injection molding setup. This is the core machine, where the plastic resin is melted and injected into molds. When selecting a machine, consider factors such as clamping force, shot size, and energy efficiency. Molds. Molds are custom designed for each product, and their quality is essential for achieving consistent results. Look for molds made from durable materials like steel, which can withstand high pressures and temperatures. Temperature control systems. These systems ensure the proper heating and cooling of the molds, allowing for precise control over the injection molding process. Consider adding automation to your setup, such as robots or conveyors, to streamline the production process and increase efficiency. Now that we've explored the injection molding process and the machinery involved, let's discuss effective marketing strategies to promote your plastic products business in Africa. Success in the plastic products business requires a combination of innovation, quality, and strategic marketing. Here are some key strategies to consider. Offer a diverse range of plastic products, including chairs, stools, and tables, in various designs, colors, and styles, to appeal to a broader audience. Branding and packaging. Develop a strong brand identity that resonates with African consumers. Create eye-catching packaging that communicates your brand's values and product features. Distribution channels. Establish partnerships with local retailers, wholesalers, and furniture stores to expand your reach. Consider selling directly to consumers through e-commerce platforms and social media. Engage with your local community by participating in trade shows, fairs, and events. Demonstrate your commitment to quality and sustainability by showcasing your manufacturing process and emphasizing the durability of your products. Digital marketing. Leverage. Digital marketing techniques such as social media advertising, influencer collaborations, and online content to connect with potential customers and generate interest in your products.
Success in the plastic products business requires a combination of product variety, quality assurance, and strategic marketing. Here are some key strategies to consider. Offer a wide range of plastic products, including chairs, stools, and tables in various designs, colors, and styles. This variety helps attract a broader customer base and meets diverse market needs. Branding and packaging. Create a strong brand identity that resonates with African consumers. Design packaging that is visually appealing and environmentally friendly, reflecting your company's values and commitment to sustainability. Distribution networks. Build partnerships with local retailers, wholesalers, and furniture stores to expand your distribution network. Consider offering customized products for specific markets to increase appeal. Engage with your local community by participating in trade shows, fairs, and events. These interactions build trust and promote your products within local markets. Leverage social media platforms, influencer partnerships, and targeted online advertising to reach and engage with your target audience. Share behind-the-scenes content, customer testimonials, and product demonstrations to build brand awareness and drive sales. To operate an injection molding machine for manufacturing plastic chairs, stools, or similar products, a specific set of skills and qualifications is required. The following is a detailed guide on how to be trained to use an injection molding machine and the qualifications you need. A high school diploma or equivalent is often the minimum educational requirement for operating injection molding machinery. Subjects like mathematics, physics, and technical drawing are useful as they lay a foundation for understanding the technical aspects of injection molding. Pursue a technical training program or certification specifically focused on injection molding. Technical schools, community colleges, and vocational training centers often offer courses in plastic engineering, industrial technology, or related fields. Courses may cover topics like plastic material science, mold design, machine operation, safety protocols, and quality control. 3. Hands-on training and apprenticeships. Seek hands-on training opportunities or apprenticeships at manufacturing facilities. This experience is invaluable for learning the practical aspects of operating injection, molding machines, troubleshooting issues, and understanding safety measures. Apprenticeships allow you to work alongside experienced operators, gaining insights into the day-to-day operations and best practices. 4. Understanding machine operation. Learn the specific operation of injection molding machines, including how to set up, adjust, and maintain them. This includes knowledge of machine controls, temperature regulation, pressure settings, and cycle times. Study the technical manuals and user guides for the injection molding machines you will be operating. 5. Mold design and maintenance. Gain knowledge of mold design and maintenance, as this is crucial for producing quality plastic products. Understanding how molds work and how to care for them ensures the efficient operation of the injection molding machine. Learn to identify common mold-related issues and how to resolve them. 6. Safety and compliance. Safety is a critical aspect of operating injection molding machinery. Familiarize yourself with safety regulations, personal protective equipment, PPE, and emergency procedures. Obtain any required safety certifications such as Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA training to ensure compliance with industry standards. 7. Troubleshooting and quality control. Learn to troubleshoot common injection molding issues, such as defects in the finished product, machine malfunctions, or mold damage. Understand the basics of quality control, including how to inspect and test products for defects, ensuring they meet the required standards. 8. Career advancement opportunities. As you gain experience and additional training, explore opportunities for career advancement, such as becoming a lead operator, supervisor, or quality control specialist. Host. In conclusion, the injection molding business presents a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs in Africa to meet the growing demand for durable and versatile plastic chairs, stools, and tables. By leveraging advanced machinery and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can establish a successful plastic products business and make a significant impact on the market. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the injection molding process and business potential in Africa. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on manufacturing and entrepreneurship. Until next time, keep innovating and exploring the world of plastic products.